guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Jerotics TV. And for today's video, I'm so excited again to react another request. Wow, this is a Manipur song again. I found this in my comment section, and the guy that one request this video, a Manipur song, is Kuru Kuru Waikom. Yes, and he wants me to react this kind of Manipur song, Haters. The title of this video is Haters, and I think the artist here is JKR, KEE and Dr.Cam. Yes, that was the artist of this video. So the owner of this video, I just want to shout out there, Cameron YG. So thank you so much guys for allowing me to react this kind of video. So please guys, join me until the end of this video so that we can promote and support this kind of video of our friends, Cameron YG. So before we start, please make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video like this guys. So what are we waiting for guys? Without further ado, let's get now and watch the video. Haters.
Who the fuck is this, man?
Oh, this is this a rap?
Listen up, boy. Hey.
Yeah, ikaiba kangdaba hui mamba noiga manaba talle thabak di leitraba na aigi soiba thiando lewe na pade ni ra chara neiba saba kangbu noi paisa di tani khangde na tuna natte siki fau mirak ta tillaga di paiba sare millionaire na gun igun di loina khangda riba ngai hatane apawa sana roi si samna lemna leina se nganglak laga di mai do thamba ngamna aigi manga tilla takla ura noina ngangbu wa aina loina khangi noina kanada kani haide apaba sara neiba sara liga nune aigi wari aiga noiga manaba di natik nate kangu bro. You respect me, I respect you. Disrespect me,
I don't have any idea that this is a rap video.
I'm gonna say fuck you.
You are so talented guys. I like the beat. I like the beat, guys.
I'm making better moves than you. You gotta check this out, huh? Hey.
Pull up at your crib and I'ma show you how I do it right. Too many hater player hating, let me do my fucking rhyme. No more conversation about my vision with the phony. Soon as I wake up in the morning, life feels so heavy. Motherfucker never know that I'm the one who paid. They ain't got no love for Ozzy, how the fuck you gonna risk? I'm still on the way. These bitches wanna know me. I came up from the basement, nobody get me nothing. All the scars on my body, I cover with a tattoo. My life is like a taboo. Fuck, I got a voodoo. I did my time, up on my prime. I make a scene, this ain't a crime. Kang basano bitch nang fuck you.
Wow.
Hey, you know what? This gets always constantly be out my bag. Let me talk my shit, nigga.
Come on, guys.
Yeah. Oh shit, oh shit, what is Gucci?
Oh, shit.
See the all I can afford is Nike. Your vibe is shit, say hi get out. Kalima when the ude future. Uri and the more than doctor. I'm a fire night of him to the selling us before the widow tired. Boy, get the fuck up on my throne. I can get it on my own. I can feel it in my bones. Hey, what you rave is what you saw. I don't need a fortune teller, cause my future's set in stone. Yeah, like I know I'm an image. This song for the haters and the tech. Yeah, nobody got no time for that.
You can't walk in my suit, boy. Look how we flex, we made it, yeah. Me and my boys, we made it. Yeah.
Oh, that's all, guys. Wow. Whew. I don't have any idea, guys, that this is a Manipur rap music. Oh my goodness, guys. I thought this is an ordinary music, guys. But when they start the music, wow, I'm so shocked. This is a Manipur rap music. And I'm so amazed and shocked with your performance, JKR. Wow, guys, congratulations for making this music, guys. I'm so happy to listen your rap music, and I just want to recommend this also, guys, to my families and relatives so that they can watch your video. Wow, thank you so much, guys, for this rap music. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this kind of music, or this rap music by JKR, and thank you so much for the guy that was requested this video, Kuro Waycom. Yes, thank you so much for you, my friend, for this request. And I hope you enjoy this reaction video that I made it for you for today. So before we end, guys, for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Thank you so much, guys. Until the next reaction video. Thank you so much for my subscribers and viewers there in Northeast India. I love you so much, guys, and God bless. Bye!